Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so attractive collection of Pixie haircut in short hair. With beautiful hair dye, very attractive and stylish hair styling. And many much more beautiful ideas of Pixie haircut in short hair you see in this video. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about hair dye. Beautiful and latest ideas of dye blonde color. Different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, and gold blonde. Shade of dye, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, in funky colors. Some collection in highlights in blonde color and ash color and burgundy color with dark base color. Years of highlights in funky colors with light base color. And so beautiful ideas of haircut in Pixie. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Yeah, step, undercut. And very beautiful collection of choppy haircut, notching haircut, the latest type of cut, choppy haircut and notching haircut with bang, one side bang, two sided bang. Mostly ideas in Pixie, one side bang and chin length bang, nose length bang. And very attractive ideas of hairstyles. Fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, and so beautiful ideas of spiky hairstyle, messy hairstyle, and many much more attractive and trendy ideas of Pixie haircut with beautiful hairstyle, hair dye for girls and women to see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice and you look very pretty and you look very cute. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support or help. So I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. in next video. Take care and bye bye.